Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your XIAOMI Mi Box 3S to the Wi-Fi. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the quick settings. So select this gear icon and press OK on your remote control. Then let's navigate down to Wi-Fi icon here, or Wi-Fi tile. And once you select it, make sure that your Wi-Fi is toggled on. Then select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to from the list. And if you don't see your Wi-Fi network, click See All, and then check all the available Wi-Fi networks here. And then we're gonna have to enter the password to the Wi-Fi network. To enter the password, use your D-pad to navigate on this on-screen keyboard, and OK button to enter the character or a digit, and this icon to remove the previous one. And once you have entered the password, navigate to OK button in the bottom right corner of the keyboard and wait until your TV is connected to it. And right now we can use the internet on our TV. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.